We got more manure.
I fixed it.
Oh, Henley, are you helping?
He's upset.
It's about right.
I fixed it, Henley. Here, you want me to truck back?
Spreading it out. You got 9 more bags.
I was playing with Whitney.
Oh, that's really nice of you, Aliana. Thank you. Hey, buddy.
Where did you get this crib?
Oh, we had it since Henley was a baby.
Aw, that's...
Henley didn't like that.
Nope.
I like it, Dad.
Little baby earthworm. Help my garden grow. I'm gonna turn this over so that he gets some more cool soil, but just wanted to show it. Go, little earthworm, go! We got our 9 bags of cow manure spread out. We got about 3 wheelbarrow loads, just that size. It's a smaller conversion wheelbarrow. So 3 wheelbarrow loads of dirt, just topsoil dirt that we had piles of around here. Put that in there. We're pretty happy with where it's at right now. We never intended to fill the whole thing up. These are my little onions that I sprouted. I'm going to plant some of those. I'm going to sprout some more stuff. Really mild weather today. It's supposed to get up to 70 degrees. So it's actually a little bit warmer than I'd want to work in, but we're cool with that. Got an extra bag of cow manure for spreading more seed, for sprouting more seeds. Another giant earthworm from that topsoil we stirred up. Yay! Go, little earthworm, go! I'll bury him in there. Onions are planted. I spread them out pretty far. I tend to do that when I first start out, and then I start planting things closer together as I finish planting everything. So those are the only plants that I've started so far as the onions. We're going to get started on some lettuce and more onions and maybe some mustard and stuff too. I wanted to finish up the video before, but kids got crazy and then it started raining all day yesterday. That was the next day after the video, and then it's been raining all day today, but we've had a break, so. Got onions way back there. I'm gonna plant some more over in the front here, and I've got some more sprouted already. I got lettuce, mustard, basil, some more onions, and a couple other plants, but I'll post more videos when I have those planted. Thanks for watching, and like this video and subscribe if you want to see more.